The research prove we learn when an emotion is present. It's better to acquire knowledge with emotions. Try to link the both are a good idea, and the scientific literacy prove it. I think it's important to understand our emotions, because if we use them to learn, so understand how we work, how my personal work can help to understand how I can learn.
В началото, когато така, започваме с нова група деца и обикновено като ги попитаме как се чувствате, отговорът е добре. Започнахме отново през движението, да молим децата да покажат как се чувстват. И правят демонстрация.
So they start to make a demonstration. So like, yeah, tired, boring, excited.
Групата определя чувства. Да захраним с резерв и да обогатим емоциите, езика на емоции. Добре е, не искам да ме питаш повече.
We often play in theater in school like a mirror game. So we have one person and it's mirror.
Hi, mirror.
So this is the first level. For the next step, we add an emotion to the mirror. Let's say the mirror now repeat everything, but the mirror is very, very tired.
Circus and theater is about how I make the other people feel something that comes from the direct interaction in humans, that doesn't happen in TV, doesn't happen in internet. It's something that only happens when we are in front of each other, building and using the tools of performing arts. So when we mix the experience, the rational way of thinking, and the emotion, then we have a perfect, a very complete way of attacking, of presenting some new ways of learning to kids and to anyone.